postman can give to your son or daughter. You can give. Sometimes you are not available, direct available in your house. That time your father, your son or your daughter accept that paper. And one will be happy. So in the same way, potency. Your son or daughter, what is that? Your potency, Shakti. Atma jayate putra. Putra, son is coming from your body. For this regard, Sanskrit word saying, Atma vai jayate putra. Putra means son has come from father's potency. Sanskrit word. For this regard, relationship. So for this regard, here it was explained is in this material world or transcendental world, whatever is manifest, everything from Krishna's potency, that Chitsa, Krishna's potency, Krishna Sakti. But their Krishna Sakti potency, understand or not? Yeah. Krishna potency also manifested in three ways. One is called Chit Sakti, transcendental potency. One is called Jiva Sakti, potency of Jiva, living entities. And third, there is Jara Sakti, material energy. Actually, material energy coming from where also? Also Krishna. Then, even in this material, what we are looking, everything is the Krishna energy is there. For this regard, Krishna is saying, I am also in there. I am your mind. That means, your mind means my potency with you. Other you cannot walk. You cannot see. Do you understand this? Yeah. This is the potency in our eyes we are looking. Actually, this potency is coming from where?
From Krishna.
From Krishna. Everything is coming from Krishna. Understand? This is.
So we're trying to control the mind then, so we're trying to control that part of Krishna's energy in a way then.
So we are trying to control Krishna's energy by trying to control the mind? Can we say that? Can we say that by controlling the mind, I am trying, ahankar, I say, I'm controlling my mind. I'm trying to control Krishna's energy.
So how will you control that? Only prem, the other is not.
Only prem.
Who
the
is your
stage
divine
of
love?
Prem, divine love, you can
That
control Krishna.
Other Mother Jasoda, she controlled to Krishna. How did she control the Krishna?
Yeah, then prem.
With her prem, Vatsalya prem. This is that. When your Vatsalya prem, Vatsalya prem is parental affection, love, then you can control to Krishna. Otherwise not. चलो लिखना पड़ेगा वो आज खत्म हो गया आज से मैं तो लिखते हैं okay
Good. If we find it difficult to concentrate on chanting, is it okay to read shlokas at the same time?
क्या बोले
साथ साथ में जप करने के समय हम श्लोक पढ़ सकते हैं तो मन लगता नहीं है नाम में रुचि नहीं है तो
you can chant holy names and also read, also no problem. But sometimes you concentrate your mind with only chanting holy names. Something you can do, no problem.
It's not aparad.
Aparad is already all your aparad.
It's not Shuddhana. It's not about that.
But you were saying yesterday about Namabas. Namabas is when Krishna is dancing in your tongue.
What is the meaning of Namabhas? Namabhas means semblance. Give an example.
Not pure.
Not pure.
As like before sun rises, eastern side completely illuminated. Sun yet not
completely risen.
Rises comes, but about to rise.
Yeah.
In the same way, before pure name manifests your tongue, and that time you chanting holy name, that is called Namabhas. That means is what? When you have no knowledge of relationship with Krishna and even not any offense, that the middle stage, that is called Namabhas. Do you understand? What did he say?
It's the stage between
Krishna Prem and not chanting offensively.
Two things I told. Give intent. Not Sambandha Gyan,
Oh,
not manifest yet. First. And second, also no any
no offense.
offenses.
Sambandha
And
and offenses.
Sambandha Gyan and
Offense.
no offenses. Yeah.
None of us.
And just there's a about to pray manifest in your heart, that stage is called Namavas. Understand this? Shuddha Nam, when you chant Shuddha Nam, when you Sambandha Gyan, knowledge of relationship, and no any offenses. Understand? That time you chanted holy name, that is called Shuddha Nam Kam. This is the process.
So they might not even happen in this lifetime, isn't it? Is that right?
Yeah.
Is it right that it might not even happen in this lifetime, Shuddhanam?
इस जन्म में होगा.
Why you say saying this? Why this so this? Why this question is?
I don't know, I just feel like it's like a long way to...
Anytime can movement guys.
So that's descending, so it's obviously
Yeah.
descending.
When all your offenses will be removed, then Nam Shuddha Nam will manifest.
Will we know? Will we know that?
हम वो जान सकेंगे.
Yeah.
हमारा वो ज्ञान होगा कि हम प्रेम में अवश्य में पहुंच गए.
You chant holy name, then you understand it. This is self-realization will come. That is called self-realization will come. That is depend on your practice, bhajan and sadhan, and self-realization will come. One baby, she told her mother, "Mother, when I will give birth the baby?" Then mother told her baby, "Listen, when you will be 20 years old, you will be married, then you will give the birth the baby." And now she is thinking these things. Faith with the words of mother. Now she, after 20 years she married, then she pregnant. But she is thinking, mother told me, I will give birth the baby. Okay. And I don't know when I will give the birth the baby. Maybe when I will sleep, the baby will come out from my womb. So for this regard, she told her mother, "Mother, when I will give give birth the baby, you make me
Wake me up.
wake me up." Then mother said, "Don't worry.
You will
Actually, when you will give the birth the baby,
You will know.
no, you will wake up to everybody. In the same way, prem manifested in your heart, you are saying this same thing. That in my life, when you come, your realization will come. Your realization. Then the symptom will come. Understand?
Gurudev, do we get rid of offences through our own endeavour, or is that mercy that allows us to get rid of offences?
हम खुद ही हमारा अपराध दूर कर सकते हैं. कैसे?
You practice, then mercy. You have to practice. Chant holy name, then Krishna's mercy will come. Then all offense will be removed from your heart. For this reason, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu they chant holy name. If you chant holy names, then holy names will be what? Remove all your offenses from your heart. निरंतर नाम करने से नाम अपराध दूर हो जाता है. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada say,
By constantly chanting,
constantly chanting the holy names,
your offenses
then
will
all
be
your offenses will be removed from your heart. This simple. Because when you chant holy names, then Krishna's mercy will come. Then Krishna's mercy, everything will remove. Only your endeavors, you cannot remove all the offenses from your heart. You chant holy name, pray to Krishna. So for this, always see two fingers. Your endeavor and Krishna's mercy. These things. And try to how to really have to make the relationship, sambandha gyan. Sambandha gyan, the knowledge of relations, how to, क्या बोले, संबंध ज्ञान कैसे हृदय में उत्पन्न हो?
How to raise your knowledge of relationship in your heart.
This is important. And if not knowledge of relationship manifest in your heart, sambandha gyan, you never to develop your bhajan and sadhana.
Can we pray for that to come? Can we pray for that?
हाँ?
Can we pray for someone again?
इसके लिए हम प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं.
प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं.
You can pray for to
Sambandha gyan. Sambandha gyan is very important. The knowledge of relationship, Guru and Krishna.
And how to get this knowledge?
Listening Hari Katha, chanting holy name. Hari Katha is very important. And always giving this emphasis.
Emphasis.
Emphasis on the Hari
Katha.
Listening Hari Katha. Hari Katha means that Sri Hari himself entered in your ears and come in your heart and remove unearthers.
Does that still happen when we hear the katha through a computer?
Computer Katha.
Or directly.
Right.
सामने होना चाहिए.
People watching this.
Yeah.
When you directly listen, that is Sabda Brahma entered in your ears. This is what knowledge will come. That is not Sabda Brahma. Sabda Brahma when you directly listen. So for this regard, Adu Guru Mukhat Harikatha Sravanam. First you have to listen Harikatha from the
Directly from the mouth of the
mouth of Guru. That is Sabda Brahma entered in your ear.
What about reading?
Reading, you are reading, that knowledge will come.
Knowledge, okay.
Understand? Knowledge will come. Gyan will come.
You won't get chastisement.
Huh?
You won't get chastisement by reading a book.
No, but it worked with realization.
No, if you read Grantha, that is the knowledge will come. But you cannot understand what is the direct meaning, what is the perfect meaning.
Not realization.
Huh? Okay, I have to write because I'm writing books. Huh? Otherwise, there's some continuity is coming. No? Otherwise, forget, tomorrow I'll go. So maybe 1 week, no,
Nothing doing.
nothing doing. I'll finish. Okay? Yes. Good.
पानी पी लो.
Eh?
पानी पी लो.
Bani, yes, sir.